Hello everyone. Welcome to another video here on Fit 360 channel. If you're looking for a fun, energetic, and effective way to improve your fitness routine, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the main reasons why you should start jumping rope today. From burning calories to improving your coordination, there are a host of other amazing benefits that you won't want to miss. If you're seeking to evolve and learn based on real science, click subscribe now. Here, you'll find free and high-quality content to become the best version of yourself. Have you ever imagined what would happen to your health and physical condition if you jumped rope every day? Then, come with me and let's jump into this amazing world. This is an activity that doesn't require large areas or complex equipment. The only thing you need is to acquire a rope suitable for your skill level. The good thing is that they are not expensive. Ease and portability. The rope is a lightweight fitness equipment that allows you to carry and practice anywhere. At home, in the backyard, in parks or in any space that offers a suitable surface and a little space to move around. This makes it an exercise option easy to adapt to any environment or situation. Versatility and low cost. The rope needs to be suitable for the practitioner. For beginners, a lighter rope is recommended. For advanced athletes, the most suitable rope is the one that offers better and greater resistance. Either way, it is a low-cost activity, making it accessible to all. In the world of ropes, there are 4 types. I'll explain the difference between them so you can choose the best one for you. Cotton or fabric ropes. These ropes are made of materials such as cotton or polyester and are ideal for beginners, as they tend to be slower and provide better control during jumping. However, they can wear out more quickly and are not as suitable for high-intensity workouts. In this sense, and still for beginners, you can choose to buy plastic ropes since they are more durable than fabric ones. Leather ropes are another type of rope that are usually heavier and offer a different feel when jumping compared to ropes made of fabric or plastic. They are a popular option among boxers and other athletes seeking to improve coordination and physical conditioning. However, they may be less durable on abrasive surfaces. Another type of rope is the weighted ones. These have additional weights in their cables or handles, increasing resistance during training. This makes the workout more challenging, providing greater muscular and cardiovascular conditioning. These ropes are ideal for those looking to strengthen the muscles of the arms, shoulders, and back, as well as burn more calories during the workout. Lastly, we have jump ropes with bearings in the handles, allowing the rope to spin more easily and with less friction. This provides smoother and faster jumps, being a popular option for those looking to improve their technique and speed. These ropes are more suitable for high-intensity workouts. Hey there, folks. I've already talked about some types of jump ropes and how they can be suitable for different goals and skill levels. Did you know all of them? Write in the comments which one is your favorite. Stay with me until the end of this video, and I promise you will become masters in the art of jumping rope. And of course, don't forget to give that like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot to grow and deliver this content to more people. Improvement of cardiovascular health. Jumping rope is an efficient way of cardiovascular conditioning. When jumping rope, the heart needs to work harder to pump blood to the whole body, which improves the central and peripheral cardiac capacity. To give you a better understanding, central aerobic capacity refers to the adaptations of the heart, lungs, and circulatory system that occur in response to aerobic training. Peripheral aerobic capacity refers to the adaptations that occur in the muscles and peripheral tissues in response to aerobic training. Moreover, jumping rope is a low-impact exercise, which means it doesn't put as much pressure on the body as other high-intensity exercises and still works various muscle groups simultaneously. Like the legs, calves, glutes, torso, and arms, toning and strengthening the whole body. The improvement of peripheral and central aerobic capacity is essential to increase endurance and performance during long-duration activities. By practicing this activity regularly, you strengthen organs like the heart and lungs, which in turn also improve the efficiency of how your body captures, transports, and uses oxygen. This leads to better cardiovascular conditioning and endurance. Weight loss. This activity has numerous benefits, as you've already noticed. But we can't fail to highlight its advantages regarding fat burning. When jumping rope, the muscles of the whole body are activated, which contributes to the reduction of fat layers. As you can see here in this study, where the participants were divided into 3 groups. The groups carried out 12-week training programs, 3 times a week, each session lasting 60 minutes. The results showed that the group that included jumping rope had significant reductions in fat mass, waist circumference, and visceral fat, compared to the other 2 groups. In addition, the high-impact group also showed improvements in cardiorespiratory fitness and muscle strength. Something we're going to talk about next. To give you an idea, jumping rope can burn between 10 and 20 calories per minute. This means that, in a 30-minute session, you can burn between 300 and 600 calories. If your goal is to lose weight, this physical activity can be incorporated into your daily routine in a sustainable way. By practicing regularly in combination with a balanced diet, results will come quickly. Remember, the more calories you burn and the fewer calories you ingest, the greater the caloric deficit, leading to fat loss. 5th benefit, improvement of bone health. That's right folks, jumping rope improves bone health and prevents the onset of osteoporosis, which is a condition that affects our bones. It makes them more fragile and susceptible to fractures. This happens because our bones lose mass and density, becoming thinner and more porous. Osteoporosis is more common in women after menopause and in the elderly, but make no mistake, it can also affect men. It is important to take care of bone health through a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, in addition to exercising. Exercises like jumping rope. It generates impact by increasing the compression and tension forces on the bones, stimulating bone formation and remodeling. These impact forces are an important stimulus for bones to increase their mineral density and become denser, stronger, and more resistant. Incorporating impact and strength exercises into your workout routine will certainly benefit the maintenance of bone health throughout life. 6th and last benefit, motor coordination. Jumping rope is an exercise that involves a combination of movements and motor skills, requiring the body to function in harmony to execute the jumps efficiently and effectively. Improvement in coordination occurs as you practice and can be observed in different aspects. Eye-hand coordination. Jumping rope requires you to spin the rope with your hands while keeping the rhythm and height of the jumps. This demands efficient communication between the eyes and hands. Foot-hand coordination. Jumping also requires synchrony between the movements of the feet and hands. You need to keep the rhythm of the jumps while spinning the rope, requiring a connection between the lower and upper limbs. This exercise involves consistent and repeated jumps, which helps develop a sense of timing and rhythm. With practice, you will become more skillful in maintaining a steady rhythm and adjusting it as necessary, whether by increasing the speed or adding variations to the jumps. Agility and balance. Who said that jumping was a children's game? Jumping requires quick and precise movements, which can lead to improved agility and balance. Regular practice of jumping rope helps enhance the ability to quickly change direction and maintain stability during physical activities. Improvement in coordination is an important benefit, and this skill can be transferred to other physical activities and sports. Furthermore, better coordination can help prevent injuries, as the body is capable of responding and adapting more efficiently to different stimuli and situations. Remember, folks, the key is to listen to your body and adjust the workouts according to your needs and physical condition. And, as always, consult a health professional before starting any exercise program. Want to combine jumping rope with chest hypertrophy to maximize your results? Check out our video, Massive Chest in 30 Days. I hope you enjoyed all these tips. If you did, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next updates. Leave your comments and suggestions below, and we'll see you in the next video.